Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. So for today's video I am going to review a skincare product which is basically an anti-tan product. This is by the brand basically Organic Harvest. This is their 30 minutes makeover home salon facial. So by the name I can get it that this one is for the anti-tan. So yes, if you want to know my review or what I feel about this facial kit, then keep on watching the video, and if you enjoyed the video, do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And with that, let's start the video. So first thing we're gonna talk about is the price. This facial kit is for 245 rupees, but brands, or there are like companies which are like Nykaa, Purple and many more, they run heavy discounts sometimes, so you can get it maybe at 50% off, 25% off. I really don't know that. Now talking about the brand, this is by the brand Organic Harvest. I just want to mention some point about the brands. I'm not going deep into the brand, but this brand mostly relies on plants and the goodness of plant products. So this brand is vegan, cruelty free, they use recycled products, GMO free, plant derived, and this is a certified brand, which is like very good of a brand. I think these are the points which vegans really consider. So yes, this is for vegans also, but I'm not the kind of person who is like totally vegan, so this is totally okay for me. I can use it or I cannot. Talking about what this kit contains, like you have 5 steps. We have the cleansing milk, we have the scrub, we have the cream, we have the mask, we have the sunscreen. So we're gonna apply all these things on our face, and we're gonna see that does it do what it claims or not. So let's keep on watching. I'm gonna open it up with the scissor. There's the scissor. So when I opened the box, I got like these 5 packages. Okay, these 5 sachets basically from the box, and it's been written on the sachets that which sachet you have to use at first, second, 3, 4. It's like a number is mentioned over here so that you can use it. I always drop things. And I'm back. So what I'm gonna do, and now I'm just going to use this first sachet, which is basically the Organic Shield cleansing milk, and you have to use it for 5 minutes. Also, I want to mention here that this product is free of parabens, mineral salts, PABA and animal ingredients. I have to use it for 5 minutes on my face and neck, and I have to massage it. Now I want to mention here that I'm not going to do it for the 5 minutes on screen. I'll skip most part of it, but we are going to do a 30-minute facial kit. Okay, so I'm just gonna open it. I guess I opened too much of it. So for the water, I am using this gulabri. It's not the rose water, it's the regular water. I replace the rose water with the regular water. I do it. Okay, you guys are up close now. I'm just going to spray that water on my face, and then we're going to use this organic milk. Okay, I'm going to show you how this. Okay, this is really milky. Okay, I didn't expect it to be that milky. And the fragrance wise, it's so earthy fragrance. I cannot feel any like fragrant kind of fragrance here. Everything is so earthy here. I feel like it's a normal cleansing milk. I have used cleansing milk in the past and it feels like that. And now I have to use it on the face. Yeah, it's just like the another normal cleansing milk on the neck. Now I'm just gonna massage it for 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna tell you that did I feel anything like after using this cleansing milk or not. So guys, I'm done with cleansing hair. So I want to say something, that you cannot massage for straight 5 minutes with the milk. You have to use water splashes in between to just keep on working with the cleansing milk. Number 2, I really feel kind of a tingling sensation on my skin. It's not normal. There is some sensation on my face. We're gonna just use this scrub, and then we'll see if the sensation settles down or not. So the second step is the scrub, which is this bad boy here. This is how the scrub looks like. This is not a scrub which has like big particles of scrub or exfoliator in it. It is like the milder form of scrub, I guess. So let's just use it. Spray some water. Let me just scrub for 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back to you and tell you about the product itself. I hope this is a better product. I'm so distracted today. I'm filming because I'm not in a very good mood. I'm seriously not in a very good mood. And I'm gonna upload this video today only because I'm not in a very good mood. I don't have words today basically. Let me scrub for some time and then I'm gonna talk. Okay everyone, scrubbing is done. Okay, but I told you that the particles in the scrub are really minute. They were minute, but they were extremely exfoliative in nature. I feel like there is now so much of redness on my skin, and they went deep, like inside my skin. I feel like I massaged or I scrubbed in deep layers of the skin. This is what I feel like, and the tingling sensation, that awkward sensation, is still on my face. My face is like more hotter. I know, not in that sense, okay? It's like hot, like hot type of hot, okay, which I am not liking a lot. But we are going in with next product. Now we have the third product, which is the massage cream, and I have to massage for 10 minutes. That's a long time. That's a long time. Okay, liquidy, really liquidy, hot. Okay, now I have to use this cream for 10 minutes, and then we'll see. I feel like this cream will pacify everything. I feel like that. Yes, this is soft, this is buttery, and this is so skin-like. This is soft. Yeah, I'm constantly like watching my rear view, so please don't mind if I'm not regularly watching the camera. And I'm feeling for the first time that I'm using the right product. Ever since I have opened this facial kit, I'm so scared. Let me just massage for 10 minutes and then we'll talk about it also. The massaging part is also done. Okay, now the tingling sensation has settled a lot. Now I cannot feel any kind of tingling sensation or awkward sensation on my skin, and I'm so relieved that there is no redness, there's nothing on my skin which I feel is bad for my skin. Next I'm going to use this mask. I am lot distracted today, I'm telling you guys. If I'm not making sense today, please forgive me. I'm not in my mood and not everything. You know how people like deal with awkward situations. This is so bad when awkward situations come in life. I'm so not like ready for today. Today was a bad day. That's why I wanted to film. I have to apply this mask for another 5 minutes. I am not getting that they have the product they have given is for one-time use or two-time use. Because for one-time use it's like too much, and for two-time use it's like too less. Okay, now I'm gonna keep it for 5 minutes and then we'll come back. Okay, now that I have completely taken off the mask, I'm feeling so fresh, and I feel like this is actually a detan pack and it is working. But you cannot expect all these detan packs to work like this. You have to give them like 5-6 goes, then they work actually. Now we're going towards the last product. This is just a sunscreen and you just have to apply it 15-20 minutes prior to any like sun exposure. So it's not like the mandatory step, but the fragrance is good. I like the fragrance. And I don't like this here. The fragrance is good. Okay guys, the detan facial is done and I'm so happy with the results. I have no complaints with the result. Well, in the beginning I was so skeptical about the scrub and the cleansing milk, but now it's all good. I feel like my skin is more brighter, more like detanned basically after this facial, and I'm so happy with the results also. I just have 1 or 2 complaints, that there was a lot of tingling sensation. I literally thought that it can break me out, it can break my skin out basically. 1, and number 2, the working time with the products was like less. You have to use like water in between to make them work. So that was the only complaint, but instant results are good. I will mention in the description or on the screen anywhere that for how much days. Actually I cannot do that because I'm gonna upload this video today, but you will find it somewhere in another video or on my Instagram. If you are not following me on Instagram, then do follow me there. I like post more oftenly there, so do follow me there and tell me in the comment section that do you feel like that kind of sensation which I felt in the scrub. I'm babbling about that thing a lot, but it's okay, I felt that. So that is it with the video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up and leave down a comment on anything you want to, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, smell. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed, and I will meet you in my next video.